Queens Personal Injury Attorneys, Queens Car Accident Lawyer. Getting into a car crash in Queens can flip your life upside down. It's not just the physical pain, it's the missed work, medical bills, and constant worry. Every day, almost 200 crashes happen in Queens alone. That's a lot of people suddenly needing answers, help, and a way forward. A collision can leave you feeling overwhelmed, but you don't have to handle it all alone. At L Sanchez Law Office, PC, our team understands what you're going through. From helping injured pedestrians to guiding drivers through no-fault insurance claims, we are here to stand beside you every step of the way. New York has unique laws when it comes to car accidents, and understanding them is key if you've been hurt. No-fault laws require drivers to turn to their own insurance for medical bills and lost wages, regardless of who caused the crash. But if another driver was negligent, like texting, speeding, or ignoring signals, you may be able to hold them financially responsible too. New York also follows comparative fault rules. Even if you're partially to blame, you can still collect compensation. If you were 20% at fault, you could recover 80% of your damages. A skilled attorney can help prove the other party's fault and maximize what you're owed. If you're wondering whether your type of crash is serious enough to bring a claim, here's the answer. Any crash can cause serious harm. Whether it's a rear-end, T-bone, or head-on accident, the injuries can range from minor to life-altering. Speeding, distracted driving, road rage, drunk driving, or simply failing to yield can all be grounds for liability. Even accidents involving public transportation, ride-shares like Uber or Lyft, or a pedestrian hit while crossing the street are all common causes of serious injuries in Queens. Knowing what steps to take after a crash is just as important. First, focus on your health. Then, be cautious when dealing with insurance companies. They may try to get you to settle quickly or say something that can be used to reduce your payout. Say only what's necessary: date, time, place, and vehicles involved. Avoid describing your injuries too soon, and never agree to a recorded statement without legal guidance. Your words matter, and they can affect your claim. Hiring the right law firm can change everything. An experienced lawyer can collect evidence, investigate the crash, evaluate your injuries, and handle all communication with the insurance company. The law firm at L Sanchez Law Office, PC doesn't take on a case unless they believe they can make a real difference. Once they do, they work fast, gathering reports, dealing with paperwork, and pushing for the compensation you deserve. Insurance companies often use strategies to limit what they pay. They might offer quick settlements before you understand the full cost of your recovery. They may delay on purpose, hoping you'll get desperate. Some may even suggest your injury existed before the crash. At L Sanchez Law Office, PC, our attorneys push back. They counter every tactic with facts, proof, and pressure. They're not afraid to take a case to court if that's what it takes. If you've been injured in a Queens motor vehicle crash, it's not just about the accident. It's about protecting your future. The right lawyer can fight for the treatment you need, the wages you've lost, and the peace of mind you deserve. For help with your injury claim, contact L Sanchez Law Office, PC at 646-701-7990. We are located at 3763 83rd Street, No. 1M, Jackson Heights, New York, 11372, United States.